If you are a regular user of WhatsApp, then you might know that there is no option to record calls in the app. So it's pretty clear that you cannot record WhatsApp calls directly from the app. However, there are some third-party softwares that enable you to record WhatsApp calls directly when you call anyone from the app. So let's see how we can do this. As you go to the WhatsApp calls options, even in the settings, it's pretty clear that there is no option to record your calls. So we will use third-party softwares. There is a third-party software called App Call Recorder that will record your WhatsApp calls when you call anyone through the app. So you need to install the app and give every permission that the app asks. The app is in Google Play, so it is well trusted and there are no issues related to privacy and so on. After you open the Call Recorder app, tap on these three lines and make sure this option is enabled here. Then go to Settings and from the audio source, tap on Voice Call. This is all that you have to do. Now, anytime you call anyone from your WhatsApp, your calls will be recorded and you can access those recorded calls directly in this app. In this way, you can record calls on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to subscribe for more.